Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Discover with David, and today I want to explore one of the markets in this town. This is northern Uganda or Tuke district. So we are going to explore some things, then we ask some the prices of other things, and we see. So the market is just in front there, just few seconds, and I'm going to start from the roadside. This is the roadside where they are selling like red pepper. I'm seeing red pepper is there, simsim, millet, sorghum, even white ants. Let's see. So let's continue with our journey. Okay, I came to these women and I wanted to ask these white ants, as you're seeing them down there. I asked this first woman standing on my right hand side, it was telling me that 1,500 a cup. Then the other lady was saying, and yet they bought it at 1.5. How can it be 1.5? Now they said that 2,000 a cup, which is a nice. A nice is just like half kilo in case to use. Now I left and she was asking me, now you're going? I said, yeah, I'm going. The price looks high, and you can see even red pepper is there. But again, when I was moving, I saw another one, that one on you in front on my right hand side, still where that man is. Yes, here. Now I came again, I wanted to ask, and I asked the same, and they told me the same price, that 1,000, 2,000. So the price is 2,000. Even the other first women told me 2,000. So you can see even red pepper, but I couldn't ask red pepper because I didn't want red pepper. Now you see, even this red thing, all here is all red pepper, and it is not this local red pepper, it is improved red pepper. If it was the other local red pepper, my friend, you would not even reach there, because it would give you sneeze, you would cough, and you would see that this is red pepper. Now alongside the road here, I met very many people doing their businesses, mobile money, others were selling clothes, others selling shoes, and I kept on moving. But today it looks like I went very early. I went at around 10 a.m. where people were just starting to come. There were not yet many. Now this market always, every Saturday, it happens every Saturday, and you find that people are very many, and even passing will be a problem. But because I went early, that's why you can see people few. Now this is charcoal. These are charcoal, and even you can see charcoal is also not too much. Then in front here, I saw these women selling improved mangoes. That is, we call them dodo in our language, but not dodo, this other thing. Then that one you're seeing is sweeping broom, that the ones we use at homes, those ones on your right hand side of this video. Then this man was also doing his business selling. Then I met that woman is my neighbor. She was telling me, you want white ants? Because they know I like white ants, and in my previous video she was the one asking me about white ants, that I am frying white ants. Yes, she also likes, but of course the price made us not to even buy. You know, these people, they buy from the village at a local price, like maybe 1,000, then they come and sell at 2,000, because they are even taking to Lira town. And guys, town look this, the market looks not busy, so let me just pass inside here. I want to pass here and I go in front. I want to go and initiate some money. I want also to buy some things, as I always come to the market also to get some few things. And of course, when you're making tour, you also have to buy other things, not only to ask price and you don't buy. Now I passed here. The market is very empty. I don't know, but I'm very sure that because I went early. Now I'm going in front. You can see all those spaces is always filled by people, and here there are books. They're selling books, selling clothes, selling shoes, and that is how African people make money. And now those people are richer than even officers. You can see them hustling with their businesses. See, even this small thing here, you can see there books. What, my friend, those people are having money. Even this ones here selling soap, and the soap they are selling here is not the soap that I like. They are selling this cuckoo is a good soap, but when you leave it in an open place, it is going to dry, my friend, and it will dry. using it you cannot even use. Even cutting will be a problem. So when you want to use it, you have to first put it in water. It is not Blue Star. Blue Star is a good one. Now we even passed, I don't know if you saw that red things that they put, that is onions in. So I want to just continue in front. The person I'm going to is my neighbor. I want to support her. I want to withdraw some money, and she also gets some commission. That yellow umbrella in front, that is where the woman is. So I like her and she likes me. This woman here, she's my neighbor. That one you see, she's my neighbor. I like buying things from her. When she sees me, she becomes happy. You can see she smiled. She was happy asking me, "How are you?" I said, "I'm good." And again, she continued asking me about the rain. Now she was asking me, "Is it going to rain?" I told her, "I'm seeing the weather, but it may not rain because this market always happens every Saturday, as I told you. But every Saturday, it makes sure that it rains, and people are suffering here for sure. I think it can even be the cause of people being few here. Now here she was asking me the number. I told her. Then you can see behind her there is also someone who is selling second-hand bags. Those are bags maybe. But people, sometimes these bags, where do they get them from? I think they just steal from people, then they go and sell, and after selling, people start buying. Now that is where we are in now, you can see. So let's continue with our journey. She gave me the money, so now I'm continuing in front. I want to go and buy some food, some meat. But guys, if you are a Muslim and you're watching, please endure with me and we continue watching it. So I have to continue in front. That man is also riding. But here is where they sell even these restaurants, because you are seeing these grassy houses here. That is food where they are selling. Those are restaurants up to in front there. Then these people here are drinking this local alcohol. We call it marua, ajono. Then we go here. My friends, if you're Muslim, please forgive me, forgive me. I want you to forgive me. See, these women, they're also doing their business. That is how they do. They sell chomo and people buy. Now I came to this man. I wanted to buy this, but there is a way it was looking. It was not looking good, looking healthy, but it was nice, and I always buy from this man. Now I was showing him, what about here? You see these things. Then he told me, no, that is because they poured water on it when it had not died. But you can see here is nice. I said no. But that one, I may not like that one. I may like this other part because I saw this one up, this one here, this one. So it is only me. The bone is where I was touching. That is the bone. So that's what I told him, that make for me this one. And he was asking me which size. I told him no, I just want small, half kilo. Then now he started cutting it for me. And you're seeing behind the other side where you're seeing that like a fence, that's where they sell animal. People bring animal here on Friday evening and they put them there, inside there, they lock them there. They cannot go away from there. They lock them there. Then very early in the morning, the business people come again and buy, or if you want to buy, you come and buy. Now if you want to know the price and you're just within, please you can tell me. Then next time I can go back and I ask the price so that you can come and buy for yourself, buy for marriage or what. But people we know who are buying. So this is my Mzee. I like this Mzee so much, and whenever I buy things from him, food from him, he always gives me not bad, he adds for me some good size. So he was measured for me, but he was forcing it. I told him, Mzee, you're forcing, but you don't force. He laughed. So he came back and now started adding for me, to make it at least full. But I asked him later on that let's first see. I asked him that now, because I saw the thing was small, cannot be enough for us. We are three, and I wanted at least something we can eat 2 times. So I told him to make 3 grams. So he added. So that is it. And I was saying, looks like it's small. I asked him the price. Now it was telling me that a kilo is 18,000. 18,000 a kilo. and that money is very big in our country and with the economy. So he added for me more grams. Then he went back now to cut and add it. So he was cutting it, and that is that man they are giving the bottle. That is his boss. He's also working just, but that is the boss without a shirt. So here is my mzee was cutting for me. I wanted him to add for me another some grams to what I had already bought. So they are very happy always here, and he added for me here. So he added for me, and it now reached the size that I wanted. Guys, this animal is nice, but for my Muslims who are watching, I'm really so sorry for this video, but of course I am just exploring, and here is the money that I wanted to give them. That is 50,000 Uganda shillings, but they are only supposed to remove only 13,500 from this money. 13,500 because I bought 3 grams, which is half kilo, and grams. That's what I bought from them. Now we have to continue going. So now here I just came out. Now I was going home. Here is where they sell chopped bread, and grinding machine is behind there. You don't know, you did not see it well, but in front there I'm going to zoom it for you. So this man is also selling his bread. Other people are just coming, others are going, but it is a Saturday. See, even old women, and by the way, people, these people here likes bread. They eat bread. So you're seeing all this space here, people would be very many. But the rain has been disturbing people in the last 3 days. The last 3 days, rain really disturbed people here. Not 3 days, 3 weekends. Every Saturday it could rain. Every Saturday it could rain. So behind you're seeing those are grinding machines. They are built made out of timbers. The walls are timbers. You're seeing the 3, but inside there they have the machines. So I still wanted white ants because are not goods. These are ropes. So I met these beautiful girls, I greeted them, they answered me. So I continued with my walk in frontier. You're seeing most people here, they are doing this business of a red pepper, and I saw white hands in front here. So I couldn't just leave. I had to ask. But guys, I didn't know that my camera was not recording everything. I didn't know that it was not recording everything. So it left me when I was buying even a sorghum, when I was buying cassava flour, because that is our taste of food. Now I asked this old woman also, she told me a cup is 3,000. You see the other blue cup, that small blue cup there is the one they sell at 2,000, my friend. So all now these ones I did not ask, because after asking all the 3 people, they were telling me the same price, meaning I could not again ask. Even if I ask the next person, who would tell me the same price. But there is where we always buy from in town. There is some market, daily market in town. So that's where we always buy from. It is called main market in town. That's where I always buy from. Guys, if you have been here with me, thank you. I'm just starting this video and starting this type of videos, but I'm going to explore more and more parts in these videos. I need traditional dances, traditional food, traditional markets, traditional everything in traditional marriages in Africa. So I'm just starting. Please, if you have watched up to here and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and thank you so much for your time.